Raila Odinga, the First Lady, Mama Aida, Professor Anyang' Nyong'o, Governor of Kisumu, Nyawang'aya, awacho ni Nyawang'aya, awacho koso kawacho, Dr. Uchila Yako, Senator Kijana Oburu Odinga, Otienda Molo, and Kora Abiro wacho niya. First of all, Governor James Agri Orengo, I'm so privileged today to have been invited this last week by several Luo leadership, and I'm reporting this directly to Baba. I'm also privileged to say that when Baba did what he did, Mapin Kacha, I've never said a single word in public. Jochako Kuanani, why is this man silent? But I was consulting with Baba through James Orengo and Baba directly and Mama Aida. I cannot do without consultation. To Baba no kuanani namna hii, tabenda di namna hiyo. Tukendo Baba chako tumogimoro maber kabisa kumwot piny opio wandai, opio nka, recognition ma 100%. But before I continue, I would like to say that my entry into Luo blood is through Nyamagoya. Nyamagoya was a great woman who gave birth to my grandmother and gave birth to Otienda Molo's grandmother. So when you see that blood around you, be careful. And Mheshimiwa James, you have said something very important. That when Raila came around, Jaramogi came around here to do something, no kweto moko kambo yudo gimoro, bochako pando reto, ochako nyuolo nga. The Jaramogi family, I don't know how to please myself. I don't know how to thank you for the liberation struggle of this country and East Africa as a whole. And I don't know how to thank Mama Aida for having been, plus James Orengo, the two that God used to transfer me from this country when Moi was killing everybody to UK. And I'm making this known to our fellow Luos from Uganda, that if it was not them, I will not be standing here, particularly Mama Aida, when she made what she made through Jaramogi, to ferry me from this country when Moi was killing everybody. That is why, and that's what informs you, for what I've been doing to the Luo community. When things went wrong in Tanzania, the Luo community, the Roria Untie, I'm the one who took your 4 Diwanis when they ran here into exile. I'm the one who made their papers as a lawyer, and also your MP who was helped by Raila Odinga. So my intervening within the Luo is great. That's why when Baba says things, I listen very, very, very keenly. Okadi kodu yamo muneno yamo mangeng ni udikon. Yamo tonge. Ntie nyitindo moko mose chako paroni gibende ginyalo wuotho kamano. Mano kunyalre. Lakini majensi, I have a word for you. And I'm following what Baba said recently. And I'm not going to fear anything. Baba, please, I beg you, tell somebody somewhere not to take our children and abduct them. I know you have said that. Kindly pass that message very greatly. The abductions are wrong. Our children need to live. And I know with Baba being there, everything is going to be all right. I thank you very much. Tokaro kanyako morontie kamoro wariek wanyalo kata nyolo nyithindo moko mariek kaka wan. Ero kamana inya.